Had a snowstorm last night. There's a disgusting slushy mess outside, all iced over. It's disgusting out. It's just, none of that matters because we got like 4 cars we're working on today at German Motors. I think it's gonna be a good day. Last night, I was driving home. Trucks are driving way too fast for like 3 inches of snow on a highway. Every time they pass going that fast, they would kick up this giant wave of snow, which would completely envelop my car. And at one point, the torrent of snow was so strong that it actually took out my wiper blade. Check this out. Fun times. I hate that sound. I can't live like this. Here's my favorite people. Fully immersed in the build here.
Oh, yeah?
It's super busy.
What's going on, man?
What's going on, bro?
M2's going out. It's done. I finished it.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to take a quick video of it?
Ooh. Roll cage. A nice little tag on there. Alright, so what we got going on today?
What's going on, guys? My Goku!
I saw that coming from all the way. I was like,
What we got going on today?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Bunch of M cars, actually. BMW M2. And right after the M2, we're going to bring in the F85 X5M. And then after that, we're bringing in a F83 BMW M4. We did a whole bunch of work on it. Stay tuned.
What are we working on here?
A valve cover gasket that was leaking. To replace the gasket. It's going back together now. The fuel rail's got to come off to remove the valve cover. So
that's fun.
That's why you smell all that fuel.
What's worse, a German car like this or a Japanese, like a Nissan Z or something?
I've been working on these since I started, so
you kind of know the ins and outs.
Like the back of my hand.
Yeah.
Compared to a Japanese car, though, I don't know. It's a tough question. German cars, especially BMWs, they're pretty easy to work on.
Compared
to what he's doing over there, that's not fun.
What are you working on?
Oh man, as you can see here deep in the motor, see that? You see all that yellow and pink and dirt? So this customer had a huge coolant leak coming from the thermostat water pump area.
Boy.
We're just taking care of that for him today.
This is a common issue on the GL?
Depends on the driver. And if you're the type of dude that drives aggressively, this will happen. If you're the type of dude like me that drives nice and smooth, it won't happen as much.
When there's something like this on the side of the car, I feel like you kind of have to drive spiritedly. Putting bows on top of cars for those Christmas commercials. They just hire you guys.
Oh yeah, it's all done, all cleaned up.
All right, oil change on the X5 next.
Yes, sir.
Get a little revy poo. Thank you. Damn. This thing's probably what, over 600, right?
Oh, this one, yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, this one.
650?
The mods we've done to this previously was H&R springs in the front with the adjustable ride height rods in the rear. It also has active auto work downpipes and stage 2 boot mod tune.
Ooh.
Now it's in from oil service. New owner is referred to us.
See what we're working with.
And this will be the S63M engine.
Nothing really prepares you for the disappointment of an engine cover, honestly.
No.
All right.
First step.
Everybody knows how to do this, I hope.
Yeah.
Is this like something you guys do as like a courtesy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Every single car that comes in here, fluid check, everything gets topped off.
Gotcha.
Tire pressure is your favorite part. It's the easiest thing to do.
It's fair.
Says reset successful.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Yep.
All set. Good to go. Oh, it's cool. It's got like accent lighting. And this whole world is so new to me. What happens when you have a G35? Who's next?
This baby right here.
This bad boy? Air traffic control. Now this is what I mean. This is when it looks good. Who fuck made their logo? That's awful.
You don't think it's good?
It's so complicated. I get it, they're not graphic designers, they make turbos, but like, this looks like he typed it out of Microsoft Word and slapped it on top. Sorry, no disrespect. I'm sure your turbos are really good. We're doing a thermostat replacement. What's step number 1?
This is the part right here that we're replacing, so I'm just trying to clear up as much space as possible. Got one E12 there, one on the bottom side of it, and then another one right here. With this pipe in my way, I'm trying to figure it out.
We have our first mess, ladies and gentlemen. You put the pan down, that's all you can do, right?
Yeah.
Nice and shiny and installed properly.
Wildest car I would want to build?
Yeah.
E92 M3 with the 2JZ swapping.
That's
That'd be
pretty
fucking
dirty.
Badass, bro.
I'd go like complete Haggard Carrera GT wide body.
Like these right here. If I showed you my,
Oh shit!
my car collection.
What?
Is-
Got Matchbox in his toolbox. All done, Miguel?
Yes, sir.
Good to go? The work is done. Now it's time to check our work. It's like a math class, right?
Yeah.
Everything looks super clean though, right?
Yeah.
What would you be looking for, just in case?
Pretty much any check control message regarding the oil level, and then watching the temp of the oil. These cars run pretty cool regardless. So far, so good.
All right, I think that's a wrap for German Motors today. Job well done, sir.
Thank you.
All right, guys. There's one more thing that we have to do. My good friend O hooked me up with some brand new wipers. And with that, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.